Hi everybody, welcome back to another burger challenge video. Today here I am with
Chastin,
and we are apartment neighbors.
Yes, we are.
And today on this fine Saturday, we decided to try Intoxibakes dessert. We did already take a bite because we pre-recorded without our mics on. So we're gonna do it again, just let you guys know our thoughts and everything. Would you like to present it since my fingers are
Yeah,
all...
of course. Okay. Here we are, up close. We have the, you said this was?
like a muffin.
Yeah, like some corn type of muffin, I think you're saying. And then we have the brownie, and then the frosting is the mustard and ketchup, and then also the lettuce.
How cute is that? And there's also glitter on the top to like kind of make the seeds.
All the
Burger.
details.
So adorable. So we're gonna take another bite. Mine's demolished.
Yeah.
Seriously, I love how they came up with the fact of using a brownie as a meat patty. There's, you know, a thick layer of frosting, which is the lettuce, and as you can see, the bun is super moist, so it tastes phenomenal. But I would recommend like a fork and knife with this because it's on my fingers.
I would agree.
But you can see that thick layer of lettuce. What are your thoughts?
I think that it was good. I thought the brownie was good, and I like the taste of the frosting, and also, like you said, how soft and moist it is. So yeah.
Yep, 9 out
here.
of 10.
I would agree.
And you know, next year, right now I don't think they're actually qualified for the burger challenge, but I think it would be so cool if they found a way to enter the competition officially next year. If you happen to know somebody that is super into baking, please send them this video. Give us a like, and Intoxibakes information is down below. We'll see you in the next burger challenge video. Bye!
Aw, cute.
Good job! Welcome back, everybody. Today we are trying Intoxibakes little burger. As you can see, it is like a corn muffin. And today I am here with
Chastin.
and we are apartment neighbors.
Yeah, we're neighbors. There's only like 2 doors between us. So
Yeah. And we've decided that we're going to try this one out and let you guys know our thoughts. Do you want to start a little bit about it?
okay. Presentation is a 10. It's adorable.
As you guys can see,
Upfront on the details.
yeah, this looks kind of like a muffin. There's like sparkly glitter on the top, super cute. We open it up. Mustard and ketchup, it's so cute.
And the lettuce.
The lettuce and the mustard and ketchup look like it's frosting, and then the meat bun is a brownie. Let's dive in. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, it's so cute.
It's so tall.
Oh, a lot of flavor from the frosting.
There's like a thick thing of lettuce, which is frosting.
Yeah.
The bun is moist, super moist, like it's like sticky on my fingers.
Oh, it is, yeah.
But I like it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah. I would say so too. I like I don't know. I would say that I like everything about it. It's pretty good.
I love everything about it.
Yeah.
I think it's so cool that they decided to become a part of it. And for having it be completely non-eatable. It's great!
Yeah. Pink little cake. I love it.
If you happen to know somebody that loves creating desserts or pastries, definitely share this page. Like for support. Intoxibakes information is down below. And we'll see you guys in the next Burger Battle Challenge. Bye! Oh my god. think we're actually Okay.
Are you going to bite first, or are we going to keep talking about them?
Here, I'm going to show them a little bit more about it.